You don't have to be an expert programmer to be successful in IT, but you do need to know the basics. Understanding how web-based components work is one of those basic concepts. I have a simple way to teach you how web pages work. Just go to my Introduction to HTML webpage and drag and drop your way to learning. HTML is markup language, used to describe how a page is structured. It uses tags, like this HTML tag, to describe things like the start of the HTML page. So the first move is to drag the HTML tag to the top of the page. Every tag has a matching closing tag, so drag the end HTML tag to the very bottom of the page. These two tags now mark the start and the end of the web page. At the top of the page is its head, so add the head tag. Then put in the title. The title is the only thing we need here, so close the head section. After the head goes the body. Then we add the Hello World text displayed as a navy blue heading. Next, add your text. I'm going to tell people to be scrumptious with a link to my website. Close the body and you're done with the drag and drop. Now copy the HTML and paste it into a text file named helloworld.html. Save the file on your desktop and open it in a web browser. This is the basics of how any HTML page works.